After a fairly quiet weekend, a multi-day severe weather pattern will return to the lower 48 starting Monday, May 6, 2024, and will persist for much of the week over the plains, Midwest, and into the Southeast as the week progresses. Indications show that all hazards will be possible, including damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. We'll dive deeper into the uptick in severe weather for the first full week of May, but first a look at the weekend, May 4th and 5th, 2024. A generally zonal flow across the continental U.S. will keep large-scale severe weather events at bay over the weekend. Some weak troughing will continue across the plains and spark showers and storms in the Great Plains and Midwest today through the weekend. That pattern will be conducive for isolated to scattered showers and storms for much of the eastern two-thirds of the U.S., including areas of East Texas that have seen record rainfall and are experiencing ongoing flooding. On Saturday, Louisville, Kentucky is hosting the 150th running of the Kentucky Derby. Models indicate a warm and humid day with temperatures reaching into the low 80s, with a chance of showers and storms. The probability for precipitation increases late in the afternoon and into the evening, so it is possible that the majority of the Derby day will be dry. Enjoy the run for the roses. On Monday afternoon, we will see another deep trough eject from the Rockies into the plains. Models highlight another negatively tilted trough axis, a pattern that amplifies severe weather possibilities, creating an environment out ahead of the trough very conducive for severe storm development. Jet stream winds scream around the southern periphery of the trough, around the strengthening low-pressure system, while dry air enters from the desert southwest. This setup helps create a dry-line clash of air masses, convergence, with the warm, moist, unstable air pouring north from the Gulf of Mexico. Models also show some Pacific moisture also wrapping into the system from the subtropical jet stream, further adding to the volatile dynamics of the system. As of this recording, the Storm Prediction Center has already published Day 4 through Day 6 severe weather outlooks, indicating the expectation of another significant multi-day severe weather outbreak from Monday through at least Wednesday. And similar to the last multi-day severe weather outbreak last weekend, broad troughing behind the initial system ejection will persist over the west coast and Intermountain West, leading to multiple disturbances ejecting into the plains and further rounds of severe weather by midweek. Longer-range models and machine learning models indicate heightened severe weather chances into the southeast and east coast by late week as the troughing pattern shifts east. In addition to the severe storm chances, much of the southeast U.S. and Gulf South will see the first intense bout of heat for 2024, with high temperatures reaching into the high 80s to mid-90s for much of the region. The summer-like weather pattern setting up along the Gulf Coast will stretch into the Carolinas and mid-Atlantic by midweek ahead of the frontal system that may bring severe weather to that region by late week. Please like and subscribe to this channel. We'll have more forecasts, updates, and live severe weather streaming coverage. As we near the peak of severe weather season, it's important to stay weather aware and have multiple ways to get warnings and updates.